everyone, welcome to Glam Forever. If you're just tuning in, I'm Ayushi Gupta. It's a day 5 of 7-day skincare challenge, and I'm so sorry, guys. This video got delayed because I got some issues, and it's so much work to do, and it's so much lot of pressure. So I didn't make a video, and I'm so sorry, guys. But I promise I will never ever do this again. I will put consistently as much as I can, and really I'm so sorry, guys. So back to the videos. Why are we doing the 7 days skincare challenge? Because we have to get rid of acne, we have to get rid of pimples, we have to get rid of scarring, and we have to get rid of aging so fast, and we have to remove the staining. So stay tuned. At the end of 7 days your skin will look super great, better, and your skin looks glowing and glassy. So let's get started with the day 5 remedy and see what it is. So today we are going to make a face pack, and it is good for cleansing and scrubbing and face pack. It can benefit you 3 in 1. I was like 3 and 1. So stay tuned what I'm doing right now. I took the 1 tablespoon of gram flour, and I'm taking a pinch of turmeric, like this, pinch of turmeric, and I got this Patanjali's honey, so I'm half of tablespoon, and mix it with the rose water. Okay, mixing it with the rose water and make a good paste. I made a paste. Now I'm applying it with my face pack brush. You can also apply with your hands, whatever you want, but I have brush, so I'm applying with my brush. Besan, or you can say gram flour, has lots of benefit to cleansing your skin. Like it removes dirt and dust from your skin and gives you a healthy glow. As you can see, in ancient India, they always use gram flour as a cleanser. Face pack for glowing and glassy skin, and they have really good skin. Even my mom and my nani and my dadi, my grandparents, they love gram flour, because I just love this because of them, because they always told me, like in childhood, baby, apply gram flour and your skin will really thank you later. So I love this from my childhood, and I'm loving this right now, and I will love this forever. It's so good. Even you can use on your body as a body scrub, and you will really love it. I always do in my childhood, and right now I always use besan gram flour as my body scrub and all. So yeah, you can just apply it and wait for 15 to 20 minutes, then try it out, and after that I will show you what to do. It will look like this. Now just take it and scrub it off like this, and wash your face. Yeah, I washed my face. Now look at that glow. I just love it, and I already applied moisturizer, and you can see my pimples are gone like this, and are gone 5 days in a row. Like, it's a magical now. So what about our 10? Let's wait for 7 days and let's see what will happen. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. So see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay glam. Thank you for watching. Tada!